चेयरमैन ज्वाइंट चीफ्स ऑफ स्टाफ कमेटी जनरल साहिब शमशाद मिर्जा ने आगाह किया कि पाक भारत फौजें 22 अप्रैल से पहले की पोजीशन पर वापस आ गई हैं। मुस्तकबिल में कशीदगी हो सकती है। माजी में कशीदगी सिर्फ इलाकों तक ही महदूद रहती थी। इस बार भारत ने पहले शहरों, फिर सरहद और फिर लाइन ऑफ कंट्रोल पर जारियत की। मजीद कहा कि पाकिस्तान ने पहलगाम की आजादाना तहकीकात की पेशकश की। इसके बावजूद भारत ने हमला किया। जौहरी हथियारों की तरफ इकदाम नहीं उठाया गया। ताहम सूरत हाल खतरनाक थी। वो रॉयटर्स को इंटरव्यू दे रहे थे।
We are coming back to we have almost come back to pre-22nd April situation. Okay. When we say that the presence of troops on the borders, it is almost we are approaching that, or we must have approached that by now.
And India as well, both sides?
Yes, both sides.
Okay,
it has to be reciprocated. Yes, both sides. This was, I would say, an escalation, an escalatory war, which has downgraded or which has lowered the threshold. And when I say it has lowered the threshold, previously, we used to be confined to the disputed territory. This time it has been in the international border. And now in the future even, it will not be restricted to the disputed territory. It would come down to whole of India and whole of Pakistan. Rather, the cities were targeted first and the international border and the line of control were targeted later. So this is a very dangerous trend. And it will affect, I would say, the investments, the trading, and even the potential of 1.5 billion people who are there.